My name is Amrit Singh and I am a registered acupuncturist and facial gua sha educator. And today I'm going to show you how to use your new Gua Sha comb to stimulate hair growth and bring more blood circulation to your scalp for more healthy hair. So first things first, in Chinese medicine, we believe that everything is connected. So although we are going to be working on our scalp to stimulate hair growth, we want to make sure that this whole area is open. And by that, I mean the back of our neck, our shoulders, the front part of our chest, upper part of our chest here, and the front of our neck. So to start, we're going to take the notched part. You're going to go to the nape of your neck at the back here, and you're going to glide this downwards about 4 times. And this is just to help bring more blood circulation to the area. And it also gives the chance the body to know that we're going to start doing some work. So it's just a bit of an introduction. And then we're going to take the tool and glide it along our shoulders 4 times, medium pressure. If you are pregnant, I don't recommend working on this area. In Chinese medicine, this area stimulates labor. So if you are using this point to stimulate labor, it should only be done with a registered health professional. So if you're pregnant, please avoid doing this. And then same on the other side. Again, we're using the notched part, the nape of the neck, going downwards. Medium pressure. And then the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to do the front of our chest. So now we're going to take the long side, start here and go outwards. So we're kind of thinking of our body in terms of midline, going out 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do the same on the other side. And this actually feels really nice if you also have anxiety, because anxiety tends to tighten up the chest. So this is a nice way to work on that area as well. If you're going to do this on bare skin, I recommend having some kind of oil or slip with some cream or something so you're not tugging at the skin. It's also totally fine to do this over clothing as well, no problem at all. Next, we're going to take the short end and we're going to open up the front of our neck. I call this painting the neck. Very gentle. This is light pressure. And we're just going to go up and down a few times. Should just be getting, you can already see I'm getting a bit red, just a little bit of redness. Again, just trying to bring some blood circulation to the area. So now everything here is warmed up. It might feel a little tingly. Now the fun part, the scalp. So we want to take the Gua Sha comb part and start with the center part, and this just makes it easier so we can understand and map out where we're starting. And then you're going to take your comb, and I want you to start just under your hairline. So don't necessarily start where the hair is. You want to start below that, where the hair begins. So kind of where the transition point is from the skin to where the hair follicles begin. And start going backwards, zigzagging, all the way back down to the nape of the neck. So don't just stop here. Take it all the way down with constant contact. Again, medium pressure. Now we know this section's done. Same thing again. You can do this much slower. I'm just doing it a bit quicker for time. But this should be, stimulating. It also feels very relaxing. And basically what we're doing is we're trying to stimulate more blood circulation to the area. Where blood flows, more cells can be nourished, more energy flow can be there, and it helps the body to think about this area more. So if the body is more conscientious about a certain area, it can again send more blood, and the blood can nourish the hair follicles. You want to make sure you're getting all these little hairs in here too. I'm bringing that all the way down. If you have an area where you have more hair loss, which often tends to be here or in the front of the hairline, you can hang out and go back and forth a few more times. Just be very gentle. This is a good quality comb. There's a nice, good weight to this jade comb. So you don't even have to press hard. The quality of the stone will kind of create the weight. It'll carry it for you. So let's start on the other side. The only thing is you don't want to do this if you have any open kind of lesions on your scalp. So psoriasis, eczema, extreme flakiness, anything like that. It's not advisable to do any, like even if it was your skin, any face tools, body tools on open skin. That's just for safety. So it might feel awkward when you do your other side because it might be your non-dominant side, but you'll get used to it. So again, maybe just hang out here where there's often hair loss, where there's more baby hairs and the hair is kind of softer. Take it down. Remember, just comb down and bring it back. And that's it. So, we're stimulating blood flow here. We're bringing more circulation to the area. In Chinese medicine, the hair on the head actually relates to your kidneys. So in Western medicine, the kidneys help to clean the blood. And in Chinese medicine, the kidneys help to make the blood, among many other things, but also governs the head on the hair. So stress, your adrenal glands, there is a connection between stress and hair loss as well. So try to also make this a very relaxing experience for you. A lot of the points on the scalp also help to calm the mind. And like this move we did at the beginning, helps to kind of unbind the chest, we say, which can happen from a lot of anxiety or stress. So to finish, because this was a very stimulating experience, we will do what I call close out your treatment. And let's just gently and slowly comb all the way down to the top of our shoulders, to the top of our back. And this is just to kind of like let your body know we're finishing something. So I'm really big on intention. If you want to set some intentions at this point or give yourself, a little pep talk. I have healthy hair. I'm happy. My body's healthy. This is a nice time to do it. If that's not really your vibe and you're just here for hair growth, that's cool too. Just letting you know there's different ways to do things, and the best way is always what's right for you. So we're just bringing this down to close this out. Make sure we're getting every area of our scalp affected and touched by this amazing Gua Sha Comb. So yeah, that is it. I hope this helps you. And in terms of duration, it's totally safe to use your Gua Sha Comb and do this every day. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes. Best to do it on clean hair, and I highly recommend washing your tool every time after you use it. We are working with the scalp. There are a lot of oils that can build up there. They will start to build up in between the teeth here. So if you get into a really good habit of cleaning your tool after each use, you can avoid any issues. And very simple to clean, just antibacterial soap and water, lay flat to dry. I hope this helped you, like I said, and if you have any questions, please put them down below. Most likely someone else will have a similar question, and then we can all share any information together. Take good care.